Ever borrowed money and promised to return it on a specific date in writing? That written promise is what we call a promissory note. Sounds simple, but there's a lot of depth behind this small yet powerful financial instrument. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Eamon, your one-stop destination to master accounting concepts the smart way. Today we will unlock everything you need to know about promissory note, from its definition to real-world application, journal entries to ledger enforceability, and everything in between. If you are a commerce student, a small business owner, or just curious about financial document, this one is for you. What is a promissory note? A promissory note is a written promise made by one party, the maker, to pay a specific sum of money to another party, the payee, either on demand or at a fixed or determinable future date. Key idea: it is a negotiable instrument under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Simple explanation: think of it like an IOU note, but more formal and legally binding. Features of a promissory note: written document. Oral promises are not valid. It's unconditional undertaking, no ifs or buts, but payments must be guaranteed. Signature of the maker, mandatory for enforceability. Fixed amount, clearly stated, not vague. Payable on demand or future date. It must mention terms, stamped as per local laws. Stamp is very necessary. Legal validity, recognized by courts. Types of promissory note. We have 5 types of promissory note: demand promissory note, time promissory note, commercial promissory note, personal promissory note, and secured or unsecured promissory note. Demand promissory note, payable whenever the holder demands. Time promissory note, it's payable on future date. Commercial promissory note, it's between businesses. And personal promissory note, it's between individuals. And if we talk about secured or unsecured promissory note, it's based on whether collateral is involved. Format or specimen of promissory note. So here is the format of a promissory note. First we have to mention date, then the place, then I, Eamon Javed, promised to pay Mr. Zohaib Bhatt a sum of rupees 50,000 only in numbers, on or before 10th October 2025, let's say, with interest of at 10% per annum. Then we have to mention our signature, the signature of the person who is making it. Journal entries related to promissory note. When a promissory note is issued in the books of a maker, borrower. Cash or bank account debit, notes payable account credit. In books of payee, lender, notes receivable account debit, and cash and bank account credit. And at the time of payment, we mention notes payable account debit and bank account credit. Payee, bank account debit, notes receivable account credit. Legal validity and importance. Governed under Section 4 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, must be properly stamped, admissible as evidence in court, used in personal and business transactions. Real life applications. Promissory note is used in borrowing for education or businesses, for business to business credit purchases, for loans between family and members, for commercial banks and trade finances. Promissory note versus bill of exchange. Here we take a table. We have 3 columns of features: promissory note and of bill of exchange. So in promissory note, 2 parties like maker and payee are involved, while in bill of exchange 3 parties, drawer, drawee, and payee are involved. In promissory note, it is created by the debtor, while in bill of exchange it's created by a creditor. Promissory note is a primary liability, and while bill of exchange is a conditional liability. And promissory notes acceptance is not required, while bill of exchange acceptance is required. Common mistakes to avoid: not signing the document, missing date or maturity terms, not specifying amount in words and numbers, ignoring stamp duty, and not keeping a backup copy. Frequently asked questions. It's time for some FAQs. Is a promissory note legally binding? Yes. Can it be transferred? Yes, if negotiable. Is interest compulsory? No, only if agreed upon. What if it's not honored? Legal actions can be taken. Promissory note might look like simple slip of paper, but they hold great legal and financial weight. Whether you are a student or an entrepreneur, understanding this tool can protect your rights and strengthen your business operations. History of promissory notes. Origin. Promissory notes date back to ancient civilization where merchants and lenders used written promises to guarantee repayments. The Romans and Greeks used these types of agreements in trade and commerce. Early use in banking. By the 17th century, promissory notes became popular in Europe, especially in the context of banking, where they were used for issuing loans and representing debts. Evaluation in modern times. Today, while digital transactions have reduced the frequency of handwritten promissory notes, they remain fundamental in commercial and personal financing backed by law like Negotiable Instrument Act. Tax implication of promissory notes. Interest income of the pay. Any interest earned on the promissory note is considered taxable income. In most jurisdictions, the payee must declare this income when filing taxes and it will be subject to income tax. Tax deductibility for the maker. In some countries, the maker of the note may be able to deduct the interest payments if the funds are used for business purposes, which can reduce their overall taxable income. However, this depends on the local tax laws. Gift tax consideration. If the promissory note is written between family members and the interest rate is lower than the market rate or below market loan, the tax authorities might treat the differences as a gift and charge gift tax on the amount. Global variations of promissory note. United States. Under US law, promissory notes are governed by the Uniform Commercial Code. They can be used in both personal and commercial transactions. Interest rates must comply with federal and state usury laws, which cap the amount of interest that can be charged. United Kingdom. In the UK, promissory notes are governed by the Bill of Exchange Act 1882. They are often used in business to business transactions. However, due to the Financial Services and Markets Act 2000, they must adhere to strict regulations regarding interest rates and terms. India. In India, the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 regulates promissory notes. The use of such notes is widespread, especially in informal lending practices. They must be stamped or they are considered invalid under Indian law. Canada and Australia. Both countries have similar frameworks to the US and UK. They follow the Bill of Exchange Act Canada and Bill of Exchange Act 1909 Australia to govern promissory notes. In Canada, these notes are widely used in trade financing and personal loans. Risks and challenges of using promissory note. Non-payment or default. If the maker defaults, collecting the amount might require legal action. Even with a legally binding promissory note, the payee could still face challenges collecting the debt, especially if the maker doesn't have the means to pay. Legal costs. Pursuing legal action in case of default can be expensive. Courts might require you to go through arbitration before proceeding, further delaying the collection process. Interest rate issues. If the interest rate is too high, the maker might claim that the note is usurious and invalid. It's essential to keep the interest rate reasonable and in law with local laws. Possible tax liabilities. If the promissory note is treated as a gift due to low or no interest, the payee might be subject to gift taxes. Examples from real life. How promissory notes are used in businesses. Trade credit. A small business might issue a promissory note to a supplier for products, agreeing to pay for them within 30 or 60 days. Short-term loan. A business owner could sign a promissory note to borrow money from an investor to cover operational expenses, agreeing to pay it back with interest. Now you know everything there is to understand about promissory notes, from the historical roots to their modern day uses, and everything, etc. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Learn with Eamon, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I would love to hear how you plan to apply this knowledge. Stay tuned for more insight lessons, and remember, financial literacy starts here. So till then, happy learning!